Hello everyone, my name is Diana Leon, and in this opportunity I want to do a short self-presentation for the course First and Second Language Acquisition and Learning. I am 34 years old. I live in Bogota. I am a fifth semester student of degree in English. I am a mother, and I work since my home review some documents for a hosting company. For many years, I have to postpone my professional studies because I have a different situation, a family situation, and some economic difficulties. A couple of years ago, I met UNAT, and I found in this university the opportunity to study my undergraduate and fulfill my dream to being a professional because it fits my budget economic and allows me to organize my time to meet my work and family commitments. Um, I am also doing a certified in classical language, Latin and Greek. I am very happy because I have learned many things which allow me improve not only my linguistic skills but some Western history, and I have a vision, a perspective very different of the life. Regarding my educational and academic process, I have to say that at my school I didn't have a better quality education. However, provide me certain base to initiate self-taught learning process. I have a very behavioral repetitive education and a few reflection and production process. I start studying on my own for several years. I have implemented different strategies to improve my skills. However, I must recognize that there are times when I feel that I need a teacher. Sometimes I feel the absence of the teacher who could guide me and focus on parts, so I could improve my skills in speaking and listening. In my opinion, self-taught process have many benefits in educational process. Since there are personal motivation that allow you to focus much better. However, in some moment, it's very important the teacher and the co-workers. I think the both education are important and help improve the skills and to be successful in the process. I am grateful with my process, and I am working to I am working every day to better and achieve my objectives. Thank you very much.